On today's show, I'll show you how an early Mother's Day gift inspired me to take a couple of Dollar Tree chargers and make these beautiful silver and gold mirror mosaic display plates. And speaking of Mother's Day is around the corner. And you know where I'm going to look for the most beautiful and incredibly affordable gifts ever? Anna Luisa, of course. Now, as you all know, I have been talking a lot about preparing for the day that my first grandchild gets here. Well, that day is actually very near Mother's Day. And I found the perfect first-time Mother's Day gift to get for my daughter-in-law. Just look at this beautiful, elegant mama necklace. It's dipped in 14 karat gold. It has this elegant, tiny link chain. And this is the perfect way for my daughter-in-law to display her new status as mama. I think she'll absolutely love this. And of course, I had to get something for myself. You know, last Valentine's, I got these beautiful ash double hoop two-tone earrings. I just love the silver and gold combination. Well, this time I got this Palmer silver necklace, and it has the same silver and gold combination with the gold rope holding together the silver chain and the beautiful silver pendant. I think it's a perfect combination with my Anna ball chain. Now, who says you can't mix silver and gold? I just love that Anna Luisa's jewelry is so long-lasting, it's water-resistant, it's hypoallergenic. I can keep this on all the time. I can dress this up or down with any silver or gold earrings or any accessories, and it's always going to look great. And speaking of accessories, have you seen my rope pave ring? It's beautiful. And my Lucky Star bracelet. All of these pieces are on sale for Mother's Day. You can get lots of beautiful pendant necklaces, rings, bracelets, and earrings now for up to 25% off for this Mother's Day sale. Being able to get not only beautiful jewelry with unique designs starting at just $39, but also jewelry that's high quality from a company that really cares about the environment. And it is a plus that there's fast, free shipping and a worry-free 2-year warranty. Anna Luisa's Mother's Day sale is here, y'all. So with beautiful, high quality, long-lasting, water-resistant, hypoallergenic designer jewelry starting at just $39 and a sale of up to 25% off, you can get the perfect gift for your mom, for your friend, for your family, or for yourself. So click on my link below and shop Anna Luisa now, and you'll be set for Mother's Day. So I was so excited when my husband got me a new professional stove as an early Mother's Day gift. I just love cooking, and this is the one thing he knows I get really excited about, new appliances. So not only does it have 6 burners and it comes with a griddle grill, but what I really love about it is these gold accents. It has these beautiful gold knobs and a gold handle for the oven. Just like with my jewelry, I love silver and gold together. The only problem with this stove is that I don't have anything gold in my kitchen. My hardware is an oil rubbed bronze, and I think I need some gold accents around the kitchen to make this new stove feel at home. So I had a set of these really nice gold charger plates that I found at Dollar Tree. And I thought I used this to make a couple of nice display plates to go on my counter to accent the stove. I want to make the center a sparkling silver and gold. So I found these mosaic glass pieces. think I got these from Michael's, but I got them in silver and gold. And these are all cracked, irregular pieces of more metallic silver and gold. So this should create a mirrored mosaic look. So let's start with a design on this piece. I want to create something really simple, like a flower. So I'm just going to draw some big petals. And I'm using a dry eraser marker so that I could get rid of this when I'm finished. But I'm just going to draw a few kind of large petals overlapping. And then I'll just draw a stem. And as you can see, this is really easy to erase just by rubbing it off. So I think I might also do a little center here. And let's do 2 little leaves down here at the bottom. So now I think my design is ready. Let's start putting some pieces down. I'm using Gorilla Clear Grip glue. And you want to use a clear permanent glue because you'll be able to see through those glass pieces. I'm just going to put some glue right here in the center of this petal. I want to glue the pieces on the inside of the lines so I could remove those lines. But let's start with the gold. And I'm gluing these with there's one side with just glass, the other side has the painted gold on it. I want the side that's painted to be up so that I can see more gold in this petal. And all the shapes are irregular, so I just sort of pick out a shape that might go well next to the shape that I put down. And I put it as close as possible. Every now and then I'll put the glass side up just so that when you're looking at it, it sort of sparkles. Some of the pieces are opaque and some of them are less opaque. And the glass sides will sparkle a little more. Like this. So right after I'm finished doing a section, I'm using a Q-tip to erase that green marker line. Now I'll make this petal silver. And this is what my flower looks like. And I tried to alternate silver and gold petals. So now I'm going to do the background. But all of the background, I'm going to make sure it is the glass side so that there's a little bit of a contrast, and I'm going to leave a space around the flower. And where the silver petals are, the background, I want to make sure it's gold against the silver petals, and against the gold petals I will have the silver background. So I did 2 of these. I want to have 2 display plates on my counter, one on each side of the sink. So I did 2 different designs, and I think I'm going to grout these black because I think that'll go along with the stove well. There'll be the stainless steel stove, the silver accents, and the black grades. So I'm going to use this black tile grout that is already pre-mixed. I put a little bit of water in it. I had this before. It's been sitting for a while, and I'm just kind of loosening it up. Also, I want it to be a little bit thinner than what it usually is. So I want to start with this wooden little palette. I'm going to start spreading that in and also making sure it goes in between all the cracks. As I'm doing this, I'm scraping off as much of the excess grout as I can so that I could see the mosaic. Now I'm going to use a damp towel to wipe around the edges. I want to make sure I get all the grout off the plate. So I let that sit to dry a little so it could start to get hard. And now I am wiping with a damp sponge the grout off the top of the mosaic pieces. So this works better with a towel. So I'm just wiping this down just gently. I don't want to take up all the grout in the cracks. I get as much of it off the towel as possible until it looks close to this. And I'm going to let this sit and dry overnight. So after it's completely dry, I wiped it again, and I'm using a little tool, like you could use a spoon. I'm using a little butter spatula, and I'm going to scrape off some of the pieces some of the grout that's over some of the pieces that I couldn't get off, that I didn't wipe off, just to make sure every piece is nice and clear and clean. And lastly, I sprayed a cloth, a microfiber cloth, with some Windex, and I'm going in to polish each of the pieces so that they're really nice and sparkly. And after doing that to both my designs, this is what they look like. Nice and beautiful silver and gold. I think they're ready to be displayed in my kitchen next to my new stove. Yes, I think these will complement my oven perfectly. I have a nice little display stand, and ooh, look at how that sparkles. It looks like jewelry for my countertops. And the gold in my knobs never looked so good. Now this will be the best Mother's Day ever, filled with silver and gold in my kitchen and on me. And that reminds me, don't forget to click on the link below to get your own silver and gold gifts for Mother's Day from Anna Luisa, and give the gifts that sparkle to the mothers you love. Until then, see you in the next video. Want more detailed instructions on some of these projects? On my Etsy store, for just a few dollars, you can get instant digital downloads of full-color step-by-step instructions with templates for some of your favorite projects. And check out my Amazon page, where you can pick up my Book of Elegant Home Crafts, Volume 1, with all your favorite projects together in one big, beautiful, colored step-by-step instruction book. You can also get separate e-project booklets and full-color printed project booklets, all on my Amazon page. You'll also see all my favorite crafting tools and supplies seen on this show, and you can add them all to your cart for the one-click, fast, and easy shopping delivery convenience of Amazon. On social media, follow me at Your House of Home and Your House of Home TV. Like, share, subscribe, and your support is so appreciated.